He's going. Definitely gonna go. Alright. You my board.
Containers that I fill with my past, you can find them on the second floor under my bed. I miss the days when girls were scary, scarier than spiders. Walks through the night that didn't take us anywhere. I had funny looking legs, you were funnier than most people knew. I knew you well. We skipped a class or two to write a couple songs. They were always...
What's going on this, Jimmy? Ooh, ooh. Oh yeah, me all day.
Oh, here we go. Oh, never mind. He's about to eat crap.
All right, Linda.
No, I'm not there. I'm not. Get it, get it.
Oh. Oh. I suck.
All right.
Yeah, man, just sit right where I was skimming. I mean, that's good, I guess. Yeah, man, that's right there. It's like the perfect spot. Out of all. Yeah, guys, just take your time, man. Take your time. Cool rock. Nope. Crisscross applesauce, drinking a Coke.
There you go. Think they'll be pissed if I just go in between them?
Probably.
Because look at this, bro. Drop
He's
there.
taking a picture of her, taking a picture of her.
That's insane.
That's this guy, you know?
He's just chilling.
Deception.
Me running over her, then hitting her.
Stunts.
Yeah, man, stretch those arms.
Boom, boom, boom. Drop. -1 pop.
I was on -0 depth. Oh.
Need to show. Oh. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh, I went so sideways. Oh, snap.
Oh, Cade's gone.